everyone, I'm Miss Liz, the Creative Learning Director at the CAC. Welcome to Family Festival 2.0. The museum is open, but we're not quite ready for in-person programs yet. So follow along with these videos for some cool prompts that you can do inspired by our Vhils exhibition and street art. We have family festival kits that are free that you can pick up all month long at the CAC's front desk. So drop by and pick up a kit and follow along for some cool art projects and lots of free art materials. Thanks so much and enjoy the prompts. Hello, it's Miss Liz again. I am here to tell you about some cool street art that is earth-friendly, and that is guerrilla gardening. Guerrilla gardening is when you plant flowers or seeds on areas that are not your own property or your own land. So in order to do that today, we are going to be making some seed bombs. So what you'll do is you'll take a little piece of clay, you'll have a little ball here, and I like to flatten it with my thumb so there's like a little indent in there. Then you can put some dirt in the middle and a little pinch of seeds and roll it all up together into a ball. That's the fun part. And then dip it in a little water and then roll it in some more dirt. So you got a little bit of dirt and clay and seeds and water all mixed together. So what you'll want to do then is let this dry for 24 hours, and then you can put all of your little seed bomb balls together in a little bundle and take a walk in your neighborhood or somewhere in the city and look for some nice sunny spots where you can drop one of your flower seed bombs along the way. And then as you check on it after a few weeks, you can see if beautiful flowers and lots of colors have started to bloom. So that's how you make seed bombs.
Hi everyone, I'm Chris and I'm going to be walking you through how to make exploding paintings. And what we're going to be doing is just using some Alka-Seltzer tablets, film canisters, and paint. Now with this project you do want to be working outside because it can get pretty messy, and when you're all done you want to be sure to pick up all the tablet parts left over because these can hurt some animals, including birds. So what you're going to need is a quarter to a half of an Alka-Seltzer tablet, some powdered tempera already mixed into water. You could also use food coloring or liquid watercolor. Piece of paper onto a rigid surface. I'm using a cookie sheet, and a bin to work in because it just helps with cleanup later on. And I'm going to take my quarter piece of Alka-Seltzer, put it into my paint. You're going to start hearing it fizz. Make sure it's closed really good, give it a good shake, and put it upside down on your paper and then move away.
So my name is Simone Yael. I consider myself an artist of a few different trades, but right now we're going to talk about some design and a little bit of fashion work, which I'm really excited about. And this project is actually going to be inspired by two of my favorite artists. One is Kanye West. Here's one of the books that he did, I want to say back in 2007. And another artist I'm really interested in is Vhils. And so these two artists are pretty closely related. They inspire my work a lot. The Midwest also inspires my work a lot. And both of these artists are also from the Midwest. And I'm very inspired by the expressionism of Basquiat, Jean-Michel Basquiat. And so we'll insert some slides and some lessons about that. But for now, I just want to create. So that's what we're going to do. If that's cool with you guys. All right, cool. Let's do it. The materials that you'll need are a plain white t-shirt or any kind of plain white or light colored kind of fabric. You can do socks or anything like that. I do t-shirts because it's easy, and I like big t-shirts because it's more canvas space. And so I'm gonna also use some sponges, some little baby sponges, some water, and then we have some spray paints. And really, I think you can pretty much make this with anything, just water and a spray bottle. And these paint markers, which I really like. Thanks for creating with me, guys. I'm super excited to see what you come up with, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.
Hey everyone, it's Miss Liz again. Thanks so much for joining us for this family festival. We've got 2 quick little projects that you can also do with some activity materials that are in your bag. First, we have window markers or window crayons, which you should have a few inside your bag. These are great for decorating glass doors or windows and creating cool messages or fun artwork that your neighbors can see. So that's a really easy way to do it. And another easy way is chalk. Everyone's used this. It's so simple. You've got some colorful chalk in your kits that you can take home. And you can do cool drawings or messages that are on your walkways or your doorsteps or your sidewalks. So feel free to get busy making some cool street art for your neighborhood.
Hi everyone, I'm Miss Sarah and I am an artist and art educator here in Cincinnati. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about sticker tagging as a form of street art. So what you're going to do is you are going to have these fun name tags. You need some markers and you're going to make images or a cool nickname that you can tag onto the street. So once you're all done, you can figure out where you want to display your sticker, and you can do it in your room or in your neighborhood. You could also put it on a water bottle or a notebook. The choice is yours, so have fun, and I can't wait to see where you decide to tag your stickers.
Thanks so much for joining us, guys, for Family Festival 2.0. I hope you enjoyed the activities and were able to pick up a kit at the CAC. Please feel free to tag the CAC on Instagram, Cincy CAC, with any cool images or pictures that you've taken of what you've created, or tag us on Facebook. Thanks so much.